Hello, we are going to study addition and subtraction of 11 through 20. Put one Cuisenaire rod that shows the same value as the number above. We compare first, then add how many are needed. We need 2, and drag from the library. Now both have the same value. Find the sum. 8 plus 7. First we make 10. 8 plus 2, then plus 5. Find the sum. 11 plus 4 is equal to 11. It means 10 and 1. Find the subtraction. We reduce 7 from 10. 3 plus 2 yellow is equal to 5. Subtract by moving the squares. 13 minus 8. We subtract 8 from 10 then add 3. Two and 3 is equal to 5. Find the subtraction. Now, 5 minus 9. We need 4 more. Then, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Place 3 domino pieces in a row and column that have the sum of 15 each. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. We need 5 more to make 15. We have 2 5s here. Remember, we should make all rows and columns equal to 15. Now, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We need 8 more to make 15. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. To make the column equal to 15 we need 4 more. Now the sum of all columns and rows are equal to 15. Thank you. We will study 2-digit numbers plus and minus 1-digit numbers group B next. You can download this software on k9math.com.